Good afternoon. This is Frank Ochoa with your midday update for the MTS room, and we've got a big time stops run here on the upside. Once we took over those 1765s, it was really off to the races. 65, 66 in that zone. Once they popped those, we got right into 1770. The idea here is once we get into a mode like this, very, very difficult to wait for pullbacks because you don't really get any. The recent little pushback we got into 68s. That was about all you got right now, and now it's reeled off a nice three plus points to the upside. Yesterday, what I mentioned early on was 68 to 70 had been a zone that had been sold a bunch here lately. We just broke above those 70s after hitting it flush, and right now 71.5 is a full range target. So as much as we've rallied today, the ES has barely just hit its average daily range, which currently is 17 and a quarter. So 71.5 was the target here, a secondary target after that 67 quarter, and now we have 75.75 as an extended target to the upside. But obviously that would mean pushing to new all-time highs at 74.5. So right now, it's very hard to step in front of this train and sell. It's just a full-on upside move. We've broken above 68s, which was the key zone. So I think really a violation of 68 would indicate a pushback toward those 65s. But I just don't know if we'll see that. Right now, it's every pullback is a buying opportunity, and I have 75.75 as the next upside target. For crude oil, let's see in the crude oil chart here. This one. We got to push right into 93.80 to 94, which was that early zone that I said watch out for some selling in that area. We got a bit of selling, but on the way down they defended 93.50s, and then boom, we got a big push up to those 94.30, which was the prior day's breakdown point. And also Kathy had a PRZ in the 40s. I have 94.47 as a full range on the day, and so today basically got his full range ADR to the upside and is holding 94.50s. We currently have a double top in that area, and I think we have a bit of a range from 94s to 94 halves right now in crude oil. Overall, crude oil continues to look, wow. It's hard to say it looks bullish right now because we've been in such a bear run, but the way that it's come off the lows right here suggests that it wants to retest those 95.20s to 95.40s. Which is that next major area of resistance above. That's the area that's been holding this entire time. And I think 95.20 to 95.40 could be on tap if on the pullback we continue to hold those 93.80s, 94s. I think if we pull back and find buyers here, we could be looking at a slingshot move higher because there is a bit of divergence that occurred off the lows as well. And that usually suggests a move to the top of the range. So that's what I'm looking for here in crude oil. That's all I have for you right now. Good luck the rest of the afternoon. Kathy, you're up.